Sandoval. Sandoval wraps it into right center field, and nobody's going to get this one. It bounces high up against the wall. Belt scores. Pence scores. 4-0 Giants. Well, we got some Giants fans here tonight.
Well, that's the swing of the bat the Giants have been waiting for from Pablo Sandoval the whole month. And he goes down and gets a fastball down and in right to the glove. I mean, he beats the scout report. Most teams have been pitching Sandoval away. The Marlins, they're trying to go inside with him. And Sandoval says, An easy two-bagger. Picks up a couple RBIs.